Works awesome on nets. For instance, I could let this long crappie net all the way out. Let this long crappie net all the way out. Easily pick up the fish with one hand. Easily. Easily. The leverage is enormous. For a short net, you barely feel the weight. Long net, same thing. One-handed. Like nothing. You could adjust it all you want on a net. 1 1/4 heavy-duty large. 1/4-inch stainless steel, all American goods. Riveted, stainless steel, spot welded, riveted. Adjust it anywhere you want on the net. Up or down, wherever you're comfortable. If your buddy wants it in another position, he just moves it up. Tighten a wing nut, takes seconds. You're ready to go again. Real simple. Works fabulous. American made, by the way. Quality.